Hello everybody, it's me Ahmed Abdulatif from ta4f.blogspot.com. Welcome to this new Egyptian Arabic lesson. Today I'm gonna teach you some practical things, okay? In the previous lesson, you can find the link below, I taught you some engineering words. One of these words was the word tools, which is عدة, okay? Tools, which is in Egyptian Arabic عدة. I taught you this before. You're gonna find the link below so you can follow the link and find the whole lesson, okay? But now let's go practical. I'm gonna move on with you as practical. Let's see the عدة and the names of each عدة, okay? So let's start with the first thing. First, we call this مفك. Okay. This مفك, if you can see, it's a short one. Okay, so we call it مفك عادة. مفك عادة. Okay, what if the مفك have the plus sign over here, the H is plus sign? We call it مفك صليبة. So the short one, we call it مفك عادة. The one that have the plus sign, we call it مفك صليبة. Okay. Next, let's move to this one. We have two names, okay? Choose the easier and it's fine with you. You can call it مطرقة, okay? Or you can call it شاكوش. Next, let's move to this one. The thing we call it بيبة. Okay. Actually, as we all know, the biba have sizes. Like this is size 13. Okay, as you can see, this is size 13. So this is biba of size 13. You're gonna go like biba 13. Biba, the tool itself, 13 is the size. So you can say like biba 10, it means biba 10. biba 13, which is biba 13. biba 15, which is biba 15, and move on with all the bibas. Okay, consider it as bibas, but it's called biba in Egyptian Arabic. Okay guys, let's move to this one. This one we call it in Egyptian Arabic مفتاح إنجليزي. I don't know why they call it like مفتاح إنجليزي, because word translation مفتاح إنجليزي means like an English key. I don't know if it was like an English key by the history or no, but whatever, we call it in Egypt مفتاح إنجليزي. Okay guys, let's move to this one. This is the last one for this lesson for now. This is the drill. Okay, we call it in Egyptian Arabic شنيور. It's the one that makes like the small holes on the wall. Okay, شنيور. Okay, there's another thing, but actually I don't have it right now. The big one, which is digs in the wall, not just opens the holes, digs and break down the walls. We call it healthy. The big one, we call it healthy, but this small one, we call it شنيور. Okay, that was all for the lesson for now. Thanks for watching, and if you like this lesson, please thumb up, and feel free to have your questions down in the comment box. I'm gonna be glad to answer you, and see you in my next lesson. Bye bye.